See here, when the liquid is moving through the pipe, it can have the different forms of energy, like it can have pressure energy, it can have kinetic energy as well as potential energy. So, let us discuss energy of liquid, and first one is the pressure energy. Suppose you have taken liquid in this here beaker, and now at this point there is opening and a piston is fitted here, whose area of cross section is here A. A is the area of cross section. Now, when you push the piston to this side by a distance delta x, the work done you can write W is equal to F into delta x. F you can write here pressure into area into delta x. Area into delta x is equal to, that is actually change in the volume, that you can write P into V. So, this work done against pressure is known as pressure energy, and now, so this is called pressure energy. Now, you can also write pressure energy per unit volume. So, pressure energy is equal to P into V. So, we can write here pressure energy per unit volume is equal to PV upon V, that is cancelled, is equal to P. Similarly, you can write second one is, that is kinetic energy, that is half mv square. M is the mass, V is the velocity, and kinetic energy per unit volume can be written half mv square divided by V. V is a volume here, that can be written half rho V square. Rho is the density. And now, you can also take here potential energy per unit volume. So, in the potential energy per unit volume, potential energy, that is called also gravitational potential energy. Potential energy is equal to mgh. So, potential energy per unit volume is equal to mgh upon V, that can be written rho gh. So, these are the different kinds of energy per unit volume.